What you can expect from the Elephant course are 55 short lectures in total with clear slides and live videos to introduce each module. The 5 separate parts of the IELTS Elephant course take you through the listening, reading, writing tasks 1 and 2 and speaking parts of the test in short, easy to follow videos that you can listen to over and over again until you master the techniques you need to pass IELTS with a band score of 7 and above. The course begins with listening, as in the real IELTS test. You'll learn to predict the answer and avoid traps. This is followed by reading. In reading, you learn skimming techniques and you will learn different tips to answer all different question types that you may come across in the IELTS test. Writing follows with easy to follow structures for tasks 1 and 2 and useful vocabulary and grammar in order to get a higher band score. The Udemy course finishes with speaking. In this part, you will learn most commonly examined speaking topics as well as how to answer the questions with IELTS type questions and model answers. The IELTS Elephant course focuses only on the specific requirements the examiner is looking for when listening to your speaking or marking your writing. There's an ebook that accompanies the course with extra practice material and model answers for the writing and speaking questions. You can also find an extra ebook with vocabulary and topics that frequently come up in the IELTS test.